Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable a voice message on Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to close your Discord application on your PC. Okay, I'm going to close it. And if you have Discord activated here, you're going to right click and quit Discord. Okay, and the next one, you're going to go to your browser, and then you're going to visit this website vencord.dev. Okay, you can download the Vencord. Okay, you can select download Vencord, and then you can choose your computer operating system. Mine is Windows, so we can click on Windows and then click on download Vencord installer. Okay, and after you download this Vencord, you're going to install it on your PC. Okay, let me open my file explorer. Guys, you're going to install this application. Okay, you can click on install here, and then after you have successfully patched, you can click on OK. And after that, you're going to go back to the Discord application. Okay, I'm going to open up my Discord. And after that, you're going to go to the user settings and open the Vencord. Okay, and this is the Vencord, and go to the plugins, and then you're going to search for voice. Okay, and scroll down and activate the voice messages. Okay, you can turn it on, and then I'm going to close it, and I'm going to open one of my room chat Discord, and we're going to click on this plus button and click on send voice message. Okay, you can click on start recording, and then you can send it to your friend. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable a voice message or voice note on Discord PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.